tshela mina ke kunjani vele ukuba nomzali mfethu odume kanje uBig Zulu mfethu.
Hawu akunalutho ngijwayele ukujana.
What is up, Leaks? My name is K-Kaza. Can you see Lamokan's child? We are at album launch at Big Zulu nengane yakhe, which is standing next to me right now. I'm here with
Hi guys, you're here with Ngabigazi. Yeah.
Ngabigazi. How do you feel?
I feel happy, I feel excited. Ngijabulile kakhulu ukuthi abantu bazile bazongisupport, bazonginika uthando engilidingayo nami. Ngijabulile nje.
Mfethu tshela mina. Uyena ufike kuwena wathi ene ufuna ukwenza i-album noma uwena ufike kuyena wathi awuphela mina sengifuna ukwenza i-album manje.
Mina ngangilonga imzwisa into enginayo yabo bese yena wathi sihle ngeke ngilonga ikuvimba isikhathi eside isikhathi nawe sokuthi uyenze into yakho ukhiphe ilake ipiece.
Yes,
decide ukuyihlanganisa.
Yes. Tell me just a bit about what went behind creating the EP nje, like the diverse sounds, because Connie Piana, I think I heard 3-step as well.
Yes. Creating this EP, it wasn't easy. Like khona ama challenges esihlangane nawo as ubaba shilo ukuthi uyakwazi ngena 3-step. Nami ngathi hayibo lento leyo babamekazi nami ngizohlulwa yini. Athi ayithi ngene nami. Akhona ama challenges esibe nawo. Yes, isikhona ingqinamba esihlangane nazo, mara i-EP likwazile ukuthi liphume ngendlela enhle.
Manje tshela mina ke kunjani vele ukuba nomzali mfethu odume kanje uBig Zulu mfethu.
Hawu akunalutho ngijwayele ukujana
Akunalutho. Aha Big Zulu akunalutho.
Ngijwayele ubabami ngimjwayele. Yes.
Now that's amazing man. Manje uzobe ugiga yini nomsamncane? I don't know.
Yeah, I'll be gigging
Oh, that's dope. That's amazing, man. What are you looking forward to entering the industry? Is there any mentorship that you're receiving from Ubabako, which is Big Zulu, or any other person in the family?
Oh, please repeat that again.
I'm saying that is there any mentorship that you're receiving from him specifically? Are you ready to enter the entertainment industry? Seeing that, hey,
okay. Yes, I think I am ready, but like deep down I'm not ready. I think I am ready.
But you are ready though.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah.
And ngiyazi ukuthi sikhona ingqinamba engizohlangana nazo because I'm still at school. Ngapha I'm still trying to boost the industry, so it's not gonna be easy. Like it's gonna be hard. There are challenges in life. Yeah, you gotta accept.
The EP has 5 tracks. Awungikhuphukele with one of your favorite tracks from the EP.
One of my favorite tracks is Siyazizwe. Siyazizwe.
Okay. Qala ungikhuphukela ngayo ke. Awusibe inote nje encane nje. Nothing big.